Well, hello everybody. My name's Mr. Harbisher and I'm from Tees Valley Music Service. But do you know what? I'm feeling a bit sad today because look, I've hurt my finger. Can I have a big ah? Oh, it's sadder than that. Well, we're going to sing a song about how I hurt my finger, and it's called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to sing our song, you'll need all your fingers together like this, ready, and let's see if we can all join in. So let's go now. Steady, off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. Let's try it again. Off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. Well done everybody, well sung, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Bye.